Okay guys, so yeah, we're here. So I didn't record, but I was trying to crank it and it wasn't like idling or starting or anything. So now what I'm trying to do is go and check if the petrol pump is working. These reds, look at that one. Look at that one. Sebenza namagundi. Yes. Yeah, the red thing is an issue here. The red thing is an issue. These spices are not working. They're not working. These reds are here to destroy. So yeah, but yeah, nevertheless, let's continue. Damn, I didn't even bring gloves because I'm not about to touch red pea and shit. I'm not about to get sick, yo. So I'll start that side and check if the petrol pump is working properly. So I'll just disconnect the battery from my car and then connect it here and then try and see if the petrol pump is pumping, because it's only cranking and it's not starting. But I know a thing or two about carburetors, that if I put fuel here, it's gonna like idle until the fuel is finished and then it's gonna go quiet again. So yeah, let me start. Now I have to work on the engine bay. That's like Jumanji here. There's lots of reds. It's a red family. Okay guys, so yeah, the car's been parked for a while, so everything is a bit rusted and it still has gas. And then now the problem. This is a weird petrol filter. Okay, it disintegrated. It's supposed to stick like this. This is how it's supposed to be. But now, since the rust and all and the red pea, but I don't think the red pea went there. But yeah, you see, it's been there for a long time. Even the gasoline was eating through it. So you're gonna have to get a new petrol pump. And this one, I don't know how it functions. Hey, this is a funny one. Is this a petrol pump or a petrol gauge? But I see there's even the return and the fuel output. So yeah, I don't know if it's a pump or a petrol gauge, but it's the only one here because there's no other hole. So yeah, the problem for the car not idling is this. This is kaput. And yeah, more spicy. I'm gonna be the one going home sneezing today. And then it's the cables. So I have to rewire that. These reds are here to destroy. Sithunyelwe lezi zinto. I wonder who sent these reds. Why would you eat those wires but not these ones? Or do they even get this side? Yeah, but I don't see a red poo here, so I don't think they even get to the side. But yeah, hey. And judging by the wire colors here, I don't think these wires goes with that wires. I think those are for the lights, reverse, yeah, the lights, tail lights, number plate lights, lights of the car. But I'll somehow connect them. But the main mission is to get the car to idle. So I wanna see if it cranks and if it's healthy, meaning there's no knock or anything which may reside to the car being overhauled. But nevertheless, the car is still fresh though. Just work on the engine, paint, and then it's even lowered, so yeah. Okay guys, let me get busy with the wires, and then when someone comes back to help me while he cranks the car, I put some petrol there by the carburetor so we can get the car running and see. For now, let me just quickly get these wires wired up, and then we'll wrap it from there. And voila, we're done now. Okay, nobody else came back yet, so now what I'll do is try and get a container. So I'm gonna pull the gas from this pipe. Is it this one? Yeah, I think it's this one. So I'm gonna pull the gas from this pipe and then pour it on the container. But first I have to sterilize this pipe because it's been red here, so I'm not gonna put my mouth in any pipe where there is a red. So I'm gonna sterilize this pipe and then pull gas and put it in a container, and I'm gonna need someone to crank it while I put petrol here. Yeah, so I'm gonna put gas here while they're cranking it, and then we'll see if it will start. Just want to check if it's running healthy or anything. So let me get the things first, and then okay, the battery's on. I haven't, let's see, okay, I haven't cranked it, so I'm gonna start. Good load. I'm gonna start. Crank it up. I don't know whether this is neutral or what. Healthy crank. Okay, let me start pulling gas from that pipe and putting it in a bottle and then start cranking it. We'll see. Let's see if it's gonna run. Don't disappoint me. So I got my niece to help me start it. Setup is ready. Petrol is ready. Let's hope it's healthy. You start, eh? Yeah. My doing it. Sure. Start. Emma. Start. Wait. Start. So it's chai for the day. Just covered the car. So what we need is a petrol fuel, not filter. I keep saying filter. It's a petrol pump. And let me see. You wanna need a brand new tire and a new harness for the headlights, and I think the brake booster is leaking, so I'll be working on those next. So yeah, tune in for another video. This is Street Circumstance signing out.